If any other platform does it, we would suspend the operations too. Twitter is a very bad example.
Come back to another look edition of Let's Talk About It. My people, I know say this man, Lai Mohammed, our Minister of Information, I know say something they pain that man for mind. I dey tell you, ever since Twitter Jack, see that man there, oh Twitter this people they make out of money. I dey tell you, to support this people they make money. Ever since this man, Twitter CEO Jack, ever since he don't carry Twitter headquarters go Ghana, I know say problem will happen. Now, don't tell us the main reason wey we say dem ban Twitter for Nigeria. Forget the fact that they delete tweet of president took that one. Lai Mohammed don't talk the fact thing. Lai Mohammed talk say hey, Twitter, ever since Twitter, say Twitter never contribute a penny to the economy of Nigeria. Lai Mohammed talk say Twitter no dey give Nigeria money. Imagine, you guys never hear that video, you guys never watch the video of wetin Lai Mohammed talk about Twitter. Say Twitter supposed to be carrying some responsibility in Nigeria. Make you watch out.
If any other platform does it, we would suspend the operations too. Twitter is a very bad example. They have not invested one penny in Nigeria. Rather invest, they went to Ghana, and yet the target market is Nigeria. Say Twitter is not the only social media platform. Why ban Twitter? Yes, I think yes. But honestly, we suspended Twitter because Twitter became a platform of choice for those that want to bring down this country. If any other platform does it, we would suspend the operations too. Because it is because there's a country called Nigeria that they can have business. Honestly, I think it's a good opportunity for our very resourceful Nigerians to also look at how they can, have an app that can replace Twitter, and it will be patronized by all of us. We've received a few approaches.
Yeah, now wetin Lai Mohammed talk, now he be that. Imagine that kind of thing, make Twitter they contribute because of say Twitter is a bad example. Imagine, I want to say now Twitter be the government for this country or waiting. I don't understand. Because like say no be say on top the delete of this thing self of our president tweets. No be that one self, they pay them. And because say Twitter, no they give them money. I make this they pay them. And because say Twitter carry headquarters go Ghana. If you talk say now you, how will Twitter carry headquarters come Nigeria here? If you talk say na Nigeria the headquarters day and Twitter deletes the tweet of presidents, I know say by now they go don ban him. They go don ban that place. In office, they go don cross am. They go don retreat. By now, there won't be any Twitter for Nigeria again. No can imagine. You won't make Twitter carry in this thing come here. Where we say we be Nigerian safe. We know they safe for this country. Person no be travel anyhow again. There's some part of the place this country where we say person no be go again anyhow. Person no be work freely for this country again, and you want to make someone come here, come invest for this country. More imagine that kind of thing. And the issue where we say they affect us for this country. I don't know what seeing all these people come carry this Twitter issue for head. This Twitter issue, no, the thing no affect us. The banning no get meaning for us. Now we they lose for this country. Only God knows how many billions of naira we they spend for this blocking, for this banning, for every day. Why we ban them? Why do we ban them? If we need another application for Nigeria, as in if we need a Nigerian made app, maybe say go be like Twitter. That will not mean say make you actually stop some people from working, because I get some people who say from Twitter they use job. They don't get any other means. Now only for this Twitter. But can imagine that kind of thing. Waiting now when they talk say make Jack they drop money. You come and say everything for this country now. If anybody know they pay money now, I ain't make the saga between Dangote and Bua. You know, say now Dangote they drop money for president now, so for our leader, Bua they drop money, so I make them crash Bua, so make Dangote become sole stuff for this country. So these people they want bribe from Twitter. Abi, no problem. Let's move on to another headline. Catch up.